Welcome to Learn English Smoothly.
Today we are going to discuss about WH, question words. Part 2. How much? How often? How long? How far? How old? How come? How many? How well? How soon? How fast? Question word. How long? Use. Asks about the duration or length of time. How long will it take to get there? It will take about 30 minutes to get there. How long have you been studying English? I have been studying English for 6 months. How long will the meeting last? The meeting will last for an hour. How long does it take to cook dinner? It takes about 45 minutes to cook dinner. Question word. How much? Use. Asks about quantity. How much money do you have in your wallet? I have $20 in my wallet. How much time did it take to finish the project? It took 3 weeks to finish the project. How much does it cost to rent an apartment in this area? The rent for an apartment in this area is $1,000 per month. How much sleep did you get last night? I got 7 hours of sleep last night. Question word. How often? Use. Asks about the frequency or regularity of an action. How often do you go for a walk? I go for a walk every morning. How often do you eat sushi? I eat sushi once a month. How often do you clean your room? I clean my room every weekend. Question word. How far? Use. Asks about distance. How far is the airport from here? It's about 15 miles away. How far is the park from your house? It's about a 10-minute walk away. How far is the restaurant from here? It's about half a mile away. Question word. How old? Use. Asks about the age of a person or thing. How old are you? I am 25 years old. How old is your grandmother? My grandmother is 80 years old. How old is this building? This building is 50 years old. Question word. How come? Use. Asks for the reason. How come you are late? I missed the bus. How come you didn't finish your homework? I forgot about it. How come you're not eating? I'm not hungry. Question word. How soon? Use. Asks about the time in the future. How soon will you be ready? I'll be ready in 10 minutes. How soon can you finish the project? I can finish the project by tomorrow. Question word. How well? Use. Ask about the degree or level of skill, ability, or quality. How well did you sleep last night? I slept very well, thank you. How well does your car run? My car runs very well. Question word. How many? Use. Asks about the number. How many apples are there in the basket? There are 5 apples in the basket. How many books have you read this month? I have read 4 books this month. How many countries have you visited? I have visited 6 countries. Question word. How fast? Use. Asks about speed. How fast can you type? I can type at a speed of 60 words per minute. How fast can you swim? I can swim pretty fast. How fast can you ride your bike? I can ride my bike quite fast.